Welcome back to Big Joe Backyard BBQ. We got a banger for you today. Beautiful smoked oxtails on the Big Joe 3. Absolutely incredible. We've got these magnificent oxtails that have all of this fat connective tissue that when we smoke and braise it is gonna melt down and become incredibly tender. We're gonna season this with some Jamaican green seasoning, and we're gonna go for overnight on the marinade. But look, this is beef, so if you're thinking about how you wanna marinate this, anything from how you do short ribs with a simple salt and pepper. You can get herbs involved here. They take really well to garlic, rosemary, thyme, anything really. So beef cheeks, short ribs, if you've got a great beef seasoning recipe, we're going Jamaican today, and I love making these. We've cleared our charcoal basket from all of the ash. Then we're gonna drop in a Kamado Joe fire starter here. And I've got 3 pieces of wood in here for smoke. One's kind of buried, but we got 1, 2. And then we're gonna let this go wide open for 10 minutes, uncovered, so the fire can get started. Next, we're gonna set up our accessory rack and our deflector plates. And then our grates. And we're gonna let this come up to 250 degrees. Next, we're gonna load this up with our marinated oxtails. If you can keep a little bit of space in between, great, but I mean, this is gonna be a pretty packed house, so we're gonna need these tight. Two and a half hours in, these have some spectacular color. It smells so good in here. We're gonna get these into our braising liquid. For our braise, we're gonna be doing unsalted beef stock. Then since this is unsalted, I'm gonna add some kosher salt, some sweet onions. We're gonna throw in here as well as 2 garlic cloves that are cut in half. And now from here, we've covered it in aluminum foil. We're gonna close the lid, let that go for another 4 to 5 hours until it's super tender. We are 4.5 hours in on the braising steam here. And I ended up adding 1 more carton of beef stock just so everything is almost covered, but not really. And then we're just checking it to see how tender these are. We want them to have some integrity, but a little give. And I think this kind of texture here looks perfect. It's very soft, but not completely falling apart. We're gonna get these off. One practical tip, I would just make sure you're gonna move this with a solid structure beneath it, because all that water weight in the oxtails is gonna be too heavy to support just with your hands. We smoked these for 2.5 hours, braised them for another 4.5. Now we got them to this beautiful velvety fall apart texture. You can see the wonderful smoke ring in there. Now for our taste test. So incredibly, this deep richness to these oxtails. Great kick from our spice seasoning blend. The beef stock really takes it to the next level. Highly recommend smoking oxtails on the Kamado Joe. They come out incredible, very special meal. You can serve this on rice, pasta, alone with some peas. Phenomenal piece of protein. If you've got a great recipe for smoked ox on the Kamado Joe, drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching.